Hello everyone. I hope everybody is doing safe in this COVID-19 situation. As we discussed in last video, the tour components and how will we design the tour package. Continuing that, we said that we'll discuss the classification of tour package in the next video. So here we go. The classification of tour package can broadly be divided into the four types, which is the package elements, which is divided on the basis of what elements have been considered in the package. Another one is according to the target market. Next is according to duration or timing, and the fourth one is on the basis of arrangements or destinations. So let's start with the package elements. We have first one is all inclusive means that all these services are included in the package, and one single price is paid to the travel agent. Apart from that price which he has paid to the travel agent or the tour operator, the customer or the traveler will not have to pay any single penny during the duration of the tour. That means all services from accommodation, their transfers, their meals, and other activities, any ancillary services, attractions, and everything is included in the package itself. Next one is escorted tours. Escorted tours has the specific element of an escort. An escort is a person who accompanies the traveler from his place of residence to the destination and will return back with him when the traveler will return back. So he is the person who will accompany him throughout the tour. What is fly drive? Fly drive component is, as the name signifies, fly and drive. It's the component of flying, means he has booked the services of flying with flight, and drive, he has also booked the transfers through drive. So fly drive is the main component. Coming to next, that is fly cruise. As the name signifies, fly and the component is cruise. So he has two components in the package, that is fly and cruise. Accommodation and meals. As the name signifies, the traveler has only booked accommodation and meals. Rest all things are being covered up by the traveler himself. Travel agent or tour operator is not looking forward when he is covering only accommodation and meals. So if we go back and understand the components, so that means he has not booked the travel component, he has only booked the ground services with the travel agent and the or the tour operator. Fine. Next is event packages. When he has booked any event with the tour operator or travel agent, then it is a event package in which he can take the tickets for the events. He may be taking he take any meal in the event that could be booked into it, and that will be signified in the itinerary that he gets from the travel agent or the tour operator. Packages with programming for special interest. If any package is made as per the special interest, for example, a whole group of people is going just to visit the history of Goa, for example. So the whole package will be designed as per the interest of that particular history interest of Goa. So that is a package with programming for special interest. Fine, these all are different types of packages that comes under the package elements. That was the first type, and another one is target market. On the basis of target market, the classification of tour packages can be done. That is incentives. For example, big organizations who wants to give some incentive to their employees, award them with the packages, so that particular package is booked as per the requirement of the organization, and the incentive the employees will be availing, and their services are also booked as per the incentive they will get. For example, in one particular organization there is an employee who is VP or something, and the who is working as a VP or something, or some employee is working as a normal employee, maybe on the mediocre post. So the incentives they receive are very different. So they both get the services as per their incentives. Maybe the VP will be residing in some five-star hotel and availing a very nice room and everything. And on the other side, the person who's with the mediocre incentive may be awarded with some little less services or provided with a four-star uh, hotel room and different services into that. Maybe the spa is not free, and on the other hand, the spa is free for the VP person. So then is convention and meetings. If they are attending a convention and meeting, the whole package is being booked accordingly, keeping their meeting and convention schedules intact, and then providing them with the further services. So it is designed according to that requirement. Any affinity group, if we have any affiliations with the group, that it is a group of maybe all soldiers are there, so they have there's some kind of separate interest into it, and there is a affiliation into it. It is not compulsory that these all soldiers are traveling together. Maybe they are traveling separately, but because they all are soldiers, an organization can uh, recommend them to join this affinity group because of the same interest. Family vacations, if it is a family vacation, people might have their different family requirements. Maybe they are traveling with their grandparents, the requirement of grandparents are taken care, and they are also traveling with the kids. So the whole family requirement is being taken up when we design a tour package. Any special interest group, as we have also told that there are the elements of the package in which it comes. See, this is something which is not fixed into it, but yes, as per the services that we are offering, or as per the kind of market we are catering, it is being divided. So we have already discussed the special interest group. So it is quite similar. Special interest as per the target market. Earlier it was as per the particular interest. Now it is as per the target market. Maybe we are traveling with the youngsters, so we may provide them with some adventure activities for coming for catering to their special interest. Classification of tour package on the third type, that is duration or timing. When we do it on the basis of duration, there are some different packages that can be a variety into it, which is a weekend package, in which generally there's an interest of person going on Friday nights and coming back till Sunday nights, and they want to little relax and they want a luxurious kind of holiday or something. Generally, this is the interest. Otherwise, it may vary from the customer to customer or the traveler to traveler. Then it is holidays, maybe Diwali holidays, maybe Holi holidays, maybe Christmas, anything else. Seasonal, if if we see the travel patterns, so in hills, generally people travel in uh, summers, and vice versa it is. So that is seasonal as per the duration or timing. And off peak, let's consider Goa. In Goa we have the people tend to celebrate New Year's, so October and December is their high peak duration, so that is their season of serving. So when the travelers are going to Goa in something like April, mid June, and something like this, that is off peak. So generally they find it little affordable also to go on the destinations when it is off peak. Next one is arrangements or destinations. As per the arrangements or destinations, or the arrangement done for number of people, the classification of tour package is also done. So that is FIT, when the person is traveling individually with the family or something. And it is GIT when it is a group travel. As we know, the group travel is considered when we are catering to at least more than 15 packs. And then it is a charter tour. Charter tour is something which is designed luxury, with the whole luxury for one particular interest of the travel, and the it is a premium and luxury kind of tour. And then we have destination packages. For example, one particular destination we are traveling to Europe, say we are traveling to South Asia. In South Asia, some destination, maybe we take Japan, maybe we take Singapore, something like that. So when the package is being designed for a specific destination, that comes into the arrangement of destination. So that's for the classification of tour package. In next video we will take up the advantages and disadvantages of FIT and GIT tours. That's all for today. I hope everybody enjoyed this session. Comment me and tell me what are your other requirements. Thank you. Bye bye.